I thank the federal and state local members and appreciate what this means for their communities. But today is a significant day for our state. This is the largest road project in the nation, and I think has demonstrated vigilance by successive ministers and successive governments to make sure that when we set a deadline on an upgrade for a road project which has saved lives, reduced travel times, it's a wonderful boost for New South Wales, especially now when the regions are really so critical in our recovery from COVID, and also as they recover themselves for the catastrophic bushfires from last year. Can I acknowledge the Prime Minister and the federal government for their 80-20 contribution? Can I acknowledge my state parliamentary colleagues who have ensured that we've kept up our end of the bargain by maintaining the construction and vigilance in managing the project, and to be able to meet it on time and within the budget prescribed is a very positive day for New South Wales. And we are going through a difficult time, and I always said during COVID we wanted to make sure we kept construction going. And I do just briefly want to acknowledge that unfortunately overnight, in addition to those 3 cases which the public is already aware of, there have been an additional 2 cases of COVID on the northern beaches. Health will be providing more details as the day unfolds, but we're encouraging everybody who lives on the northern beaches with the mildest of symptoms to come forward and get testing. The most recent 2 cases, one of which was in Frenchs Forest, but again, the health authorities will provide further advice. The advice I've received is literally in the last half hour. But we do, as we do always in New South Wales, make sure we let the public know as soon as we know, so that people can take measures, that people can take the actions they need to take. And I encourage everybody with the mildest of symptoms on the northern beaches to please come forward and get testing. We have seen an increase in testing overnight, but we really want to get on top of this. We don't want this to concern us leading into the last few days before Christmas, and I'm just urging the public to remain as vigilant as ever. PM.